Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the custom cursor keeps resetting after reboot, then please watch this video. So search for mouse properties. Okay, now you'll have to go to mouse settings and then scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. This will open the mouse properties windows. Now you can go to the pointers tab, you can change it to anything else. Okay, let's say you changed it to this one. You clicked on apply, you clicked on OK, and it became larger. But when you reset your computer, restarted your computer, it went away. So here's what you have to do: go to the same page, but this time click on save as and then create this profile. That's it. Click on OK. Now it will not reset when you reboot your Windows computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.